Rub oil at atom in circular motions with both hands for 3 times. Rub the atom with both hands, back and forth 3 to 5 times. Lift at the number side with both hands alternately for 16 times. Do the same to the other side. The customer lies on his or her side. Push with both palms alternately from lumbar side to the atom for 3 to 5 times. Push downwards with both palms side by side, from lumbar side to the atom for 3 to 5 times. Rub the whole waist with both hands in circular motions alternately for 3 to 5 times. Push with both palms alternately from lumbar side to the groin at the navel. Operate for 3 to 5 times. Do the same to the other side. $40,000 and RF dissolving and shaping. Apply gel and atom evenly. Please note, applying gel before 40,000 and RF operation is a must. Please note, adjust the energy level according to one's feeling. The customer lies flat. On one side, lift from lumbar side to the atom. One lie next to another. Lift to the groin. Operate for 3 times. Lift at the other side for 3 times. Move in small circles at atom for 3 times. Move in big circles at atom for 3 times. Move at atom as if writing 8 for 3 to 5 times. Move up and down at the lumbar side for 3 to 5 times. Combined with hand, lift the meridian BV on both sides of the waist. Operate for 16 times. Do the same to the other side. Clean the item with a hot towel. EMS skin tightening. Bind bandages at waist and item. Apply gel on the EMS pads and fixate the pads at flat on the item. Please note, adjust energy level according to one's feeling. Wait for 20 minutes. Remove pads and bandages. Clean the EMS pads. Clean the operating area with a hot towel.